Live and direct at Walton Elementary School. I got 4, 5 ambitious girls. Just talk, you can see you right there. You ain't gotta touch it.
Hi.
What in the world?
Hi. My name is Kelly Mark and I'm in 3rd grade and I'm 8 years old. My name is Deliana. I'm in 3rd grade and I'm 10 years old. We're in graphic design at Walton. How do I get this dang chair back? Because she just had bullseye in front of the camera. What the heck? I said hi.
That's what I'm talking about. Good job, Pooh. You put your name on there. Put this up on the wall.
Pretty. It is really pretty.
Can we put this up somewhere? What's the tape at?
Everybody's good.
Now I'm gonna add. Why y'all call everybody Mister? They don't never call nobody at the school by their last name. They call everybody Mister. That's lazy. Y'all should be calling me Mr. Collins. Mr. Collins. Mr. who?
Mr. Collins.
Mr. Collins. Y'all say Mr. Mr. Y'all say call everybody Mr. Mr. what?
Mr. Collins.
Collins.
What you got, sir? Mr. Give me off.
Mr. Mr. what?
Mr. Collins.
Collins.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Take your paper with you. Go to the next situation.
Love you guys.
I love y'all, but y'all got to go. Bye.
Bye.
Peace. 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 Bye, girls. Bye. See y'all later. You want to go in there and see what they doing? Get your coat, Mayweather. My Pooh want to see what's going on. They just... It's just a class, Pooh. This is a classroom. Go look. Look. See? Summer over with. Signing off, man. Peace. Get out of here. Don't get in that mud. Over here. Over here.